Hi, I'm Angela, and in 2023, I lost my beautiful 23-year-old daughter Jada to brain cancer. I thought that I would die without her, and to be honest, a part of me did die with her. Shortly after Jada's passing, I decided to leave my 28-year marriage. That's right, I was broken, lost, depressed, and even mad at God. Today, I'm on a healing journey. At 47, I'm learning to rebuild my life one day at a time. But most importantly, I'm on a journey to keep my daughter's name alive and make sure that the world never forgets about her. I don't have it all figured out, and that's okay, but I'm doing it